This is a review on the new 40 volt HP mower, multi-blade, model number RY40HPLM02K2. There's several things on here that I'm pretty excited about. It has a 5-year warranty on the tool and 3-year on the battery. That's pretty standard. Self-propelled 21-inch blade. It has a couple of the standard stuff, just brushless motor, advanced electronics. What else really stands out? The new dash looks pretty cool. I guess you can turn the light on and off. We'll go through all of that at 21 inch. Let's see how well I can do this with one hand. Of course, it comes with the bag, obviously. Then this has to be the frame. There's a side chute that you can go out the side. And I saw it does have I guess I can either bag it or mulch. We'll see how that works. Quite bright, but I guess that's what you get with Ryobi or any of the other ones. It just depends on what color you have, obviously. At least it's yellow for safety, I guess. There's a couple of things here. Won't be able to mow today. Well, I guess I could, but well, Vancouver, Washington, where it's raining. But tomorrow it's not supposed to rain, so I'll have to try it. I guess like all the Ryobi mowers, they have a one-hand lift, are pretty standard. I'm not a big fan of the thumb just control, especially if you have bad thumbs after years of working with power tools and everything else. But I found it interesting is that I can adjust where it goes. I can change the angle. We'll have to see how well that works. Maybe that'll be easier. Maybe. Guess we'll have to see. We'll put a battery in. There's actually 2 slots, but as far as I can tell, the key is to have it on or unplugged for safety wise, but it looks like the batteries work together and you don't have to change the key like the older ones. You had to just pull the key out and swap it to the side that you had, and it says that it works with 1 battery or 2. And it looks like you can read the battery level. Turn the lights on. Turbo mode. Oh, I don't know. Then the speed control. That's kind of cool. It's pretty bright. Whoops. Easy. It's quite I like the battery level for sure. Don't really want it started yet until it's out of there. Okay, now that it's off. It feels fast. I guess we'll have to do a test tomorrow. I don't really want to get it wet. Not yet, at least. Different levels. Pull the battery out and there's dual blades. It definitely feels like a stronger frame or stronger base. I've had the other ones and they always seem a little flimsy. Not that it doesn't work or anything, but just feels flimsy, the base. I guess that trapdoor is for mulching. For bagging. The skirt on it looks a little beat up. I'm sure a little time in the sun. Not that we're gonna have sun for months yet, but I'm pretty happy. I'm sure it'll work well. It goes from 1 to 4 inches. I'm pretty sure that's pretty standard, but wow, it says 1 to 4 inches, but there's 10 slots. I'm assuming 1/2 inch. Wow. I guess it's 4. I guess I'm gonna have to read, because I did see it goes from 1 to 4 inches, but there's 10 slots there, and I mean even if it's an inch, I guess a 1/2 inch, but even that. But, all right, I guess that's it. We'll have to wait until tomorrow, see how well it does. I'm sure I'll be happy with it. I'm definitely a Ryobi guy. I got a little bit of everything and pretty happy with everything I do have. All right, just thanks for watching.